Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use YouTube on PC. So if you're watching this right now, chances are you're either new to YouTube or you've been using YouTube for a long time. So in this video I'm going to explain everything about using YouTube on a computer in a very slow, clear and beginner friendly way. Starting from the very beginning, first let me explain what YouTube actually is. YouTube is the world's largest video sharing platform where people from all over the world upload video to watch, learn, entertain and share information. On YouTube you can find videos about your education, tutorials, music and movies, news and live updates, cooking, travel and vlog, gaming, technology and much more. YouTube is used daily by millions of people for learning new skills, passing time, or even for learning money by creating content. Now many people know how to use YouTube on a mobile phone, but when it comes to using on a PC or laptop, things look confusing. So you see many icons, many buttons and settings. If you click something by mistake, you may not understand what just happened. Whether you are completely new to YouTube or just want to understand everything feature clearly, this complete beginner guide will help you. So first what you can do is you need to open any of the browser on your computer. You can use your Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox or the Safari, and at the top there's an address bar over here. Type down youtube.com and enter it. Once the website loads, you will see all the YouTube homepage where recommended video appears based on the trends or your previous activities. So over here, creating a YouTube. To use all the feature like subscribing, liking or uploading videos, you need a Google account. Look at the top right corner of the screen, we could find this sign in here. Select to the sign in, and over here if you already have a Gmail account, you need to select to any of the account that you belong to, and over here you are required to scan your finger or the fingerprint reader here. That is it. In order to understand the YouTube homepage icon, let's understand the important icons you see on the homepage. And the top left we can find this three-lined horizontal icon here. This is the menu. Clicking to it opens the sidebar where you'll find all of the home, shorts, subscription history, playlist, watch later, liked video. This section helps you quickly navigate through YouTube, and in the middle of the top you will see the search bar over here. This is here you can type all of these video names, topics, channel names, then press enter to search by entering it. And in the right icon over here you'll see plus icon. In order to create the notifications and your account here, you can also go live if you already have a channel. And in this bell icon here, this is for the notifications, new videos from the channels you subscribe to, comments or the replies, updates. And over here just beside it we can find this profile icon here. Clicking to it opens your channel, YouTube Studio, settings, sign out option if you want. Over here to watch your video, simply click on any of the thumbnail or the homepage, your search results here. Over here the video opens. You can also control to your volume. You can also play or pause it when you want to stop. Over here we can find this autoplay is on. If you want to enable it, disable it, you can simply toggle off this by clicking over it. When you toggle it off, the videos won't play by itself, but when you toggle it on, the next video automatically starts to play after the video ends. Here we can find the settings. Select the setting, and over here you can also choose the quality that you want to. Subtitles over here. For the subtitles you can go to this icon that says CC subtitles close or captions here. But if you prefer to select any of the other setting language, you can go to this setting here. You can go to the subtitles and you can select any of the auto translate option here, and you can choose the language that you prefer to for the subtitles here. And over here you can also change the speed of the video by selecting to this playback speed. You can simply control it over here by simply sliding this bar. And below this video you'll find this like or dislike. You can simply select to the button like if you like this video and want to save it on your liked videos, but if you do not like the video, you don't prefer it, you can simply select to this I don't like this. And if you want to share the video, you can go to the share icon and you can copy link and send it to your any of the friend in the socials, or you can simply share in the social medias over here. And over here you need to scroll a bit down and you can also read or write the comments in the comment section below. And if you want to add a comment over here, you can select this option that says add a comment and select and type down any of the comment that you prefer and select this comment here, and the comment just added to the videos. If you like the video and you want to subscribe to the channel to get the continuous video like this, what you can do is you can simply subscribe to one of this creator here. And if you like a channel and want to see their future videos, you once to subscribe that button below the video. You can also choose the bell icon here. You can select this if you want and get alert, personalized, none or unsubscribe, and now you will receive updates whether the channel uploads new content or not. Once you open to this three-line icon over here, we can find all of the subscriptions here, and it shows all the channel you subscribe to, their latest uploads here. And in this library here we find watch history, playlist, watch later, liked videos and your videos and your downloads. This helps you quickly find videos you watched earlier and updating your own video. In order to upload a video you own, you can go to this create icon in the top right. You can upload to this video. Over here you can select to the file for your library. You can select any of the video that you want by double clicking on it. Over here, you can also enter a title name. You can also put a description if you want to. And if you want to add any of the thumbnail over here, you can either upload a file or to generate it or do it the testing here. If you want to select this video to any of the playlists that you want, you can go to this playlist and select any of the playlists that you want to put in. Over here, you can also restrict to the audience that you want to, below the age or the restricted age, and you can go to the video element. You can select an end screen if you want to put any of the cards from its related content during your video. You can do that as well. And the next thing is for the visibility here. You can select the visibility. Either you want this video to get private, unlisted, anyone with this video link can only watch the video, or the public, anybody can watch your video. And after you're done, you can select to this publish. And that is it. Over here, we can find this setting just below the customization. Once you click into this setting, here you can change the default units over here, any of the currency that you want to put in as it's in the USD dollar. You can also select any of the currency from here as well. You can also put down any of the basic information about yourself, the keywords that is. The next thing is we can find this YouTube subscriptions over here. In this YouTube subscription section shows the videos only from the channels you have subscribed to. When you subscribe to a channel, you're telling YouTube that you want to see more content from this creator, and you will find this latest uploaded videos from your subscribed channels, video thumbnails with titles, upload times like 3 hours ago, a day ago, channel name under each video. This section is organized chronologically, meaning newer videos appear first. And over here we can find this explore. Just under this we can find this music, gaming, and sporting. And over here under this music section, the music category is dedicated to the music related content. Here you can find all of this official music video, trending songs, live performances, popular artists. You may also see the charts, artist spotlights, recommended music video based on history. And if you love discovering new songs or watching music videos in high quality, this section is perfect. In the gaming section, we can find this. Inside this category focuses on the game related content. Inside this section, you'll see the gameplay videos, walkthrough tutorials, live streams marked with a red live badge, sports tournaments, trending game. We can also explore content based specific games like Minecraft, Fortnite, GTA, PUBG, and many more. This section is ideal for the gamers and people who enjoy watching gameplay. And the sports section focuses on the athletic contents and competitions. Here you'll find the match highlights, game recaps, player interviews, tournament coverage, sport news. And after that, we can find these shorts just in the top. This is the vertical videos designed for the quick entertainment. They are usually under 60 seconds, fast-paced, trend-based, easy to scroll. You can like, comment, share, subscribe, and short videos are perfect when you want quick entertainment without watching long videos. And over here, scroll a bit down and you can also find this YouTube Premium here. YouTube Premium is a paid subscription service that removes ad and unlocks extra features to make your viewing experience smoother, cleaner, and more convenient. So this is a monthly subscription that gives you ad-free videos, offline downloads, background play music, premium access, and exclusive content in some regions. So it enhances your entire YouTube experience. So over here, once you go to this YouTube Premium here, you can try your monthly plan, your family or student plan as well. Normally, when you close the YouTube app, the video stops playing, but with this YouTube Premium, you can lock your phone screen, you can switch to another app, the audio continues playing in the background. And that is it. Now you know how to use YouTube on PC. And once you get comfortable with this basic, you can explore advanced features like playlist, live streaming, and YouTube Studio Analytics. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.